This exercise is designed to create a sketch of a tuning fork using a few simple sketch commands. I'll get started by creating a sketch on one of the default planes. Now I'll create the handle of the tuning fork using a rectangle. I could potentially use any rectangle and create a similar sketch, but the image in the instructions has the origin in the center of the rectangle and two construction lines, indicating a center rectangle should be used. I'll activate the center rectangle command and draw a tall rectangle starting from the origin. Next, I'll add the circular base of the handle. Looking at the example, I'll need to make sure that two coincident constraints are added at the edges along with a tangent constraint. I'll activate the 3-point circle, place the first point on the left corner of the rectangle, the second point on the right corner, and when choosing the size and location of the circle, I'll make sure that the tangent constraint appears. The handle is now complete, so I'll next create the upper fork section. This entire top section can be created simply with the line command. I'll activate the line command and start by making the left side of the fork. The first line will start at the top left corner of the rectangle and angle up and to the left. The second line should be vertical, and notice that when I get close to vertical, a blue icon appears next to the line. This lets me know that the line is vertical. The third line should be perpendicular to the vertical line. As I draw the line to the right, I'll make sure that the perpendicular glyph appears. The next step is to sketch the intersection. I'll start with a line going downward, making sure I get a perpendicular glyph at the top. I'll click and hold to create a tangent arc and have it line up horizontally with the start of the arc, then finish with a vertical line. The pair of parallel glyphs lets me know that this second line is also vertical. To finish the sketch, I'll recreate the line geometry on the left, paying attention to the glyphs that appear and the approximate lengths of the lines. To line up the lines exactly, I can hover over a point and then move the mouse away, which shows an inference line. I'll finish by connecting back to the rectangle, and the sketch is complete.